Welcome to Insight, International Education News and Insights by Canem.
Today, we're digging into a topic that's more relevant than ever: how to choose the right study program in the face of rapid technological changes and evolving job markets. Let's start with some eye-opening facts. According to global studies, nearly 39% of job-related skills could become obsolete by 2030. This means the degree or skills you graduate with today might not hold the same value in just a few years. For students aspiring to study abroad, this makes choosing the right program more than just an academic decision. It's a long-term investment in your future employability and career growth. Here are some facts to consider. With automation and AI taking over traditional roles, industries like healthcare, technology, and environmental science are growing rapidly, while some older sectors are shrinking. Studying abroad gives you an edge, but only if your chosen program aligns with the demands of a globalized workforce. In countries like Canada, the USA, Australia, etc., the program you choose can directly impact your eligibility for work permits and permanent residency, making it a crucial part of your career planning. So, how do you go about selecting the close-to-perfect program? Here are some factors to consider. Future job market trends. Research industries that are expected to grow in the next decade. For example, fields like data analytics, cybersecurity, renewable energy, and AI are projected to see high demand globally. Your career goals. Align your program choice with your long-term professional aspirations. Are you aiming for a specific role or industry? Make sure the course content and skills match those requirements. Educational value. Look beyond the name of the program. What skills will you gain? Programs offering a mix of academic knowledge and applicable practical skills are always a better bet. Study abroad regulations. Some countries may offer work opportunities post-graduation, but only if your program meets eligibility criteria. This is where details like PGWP, post-graduation work permit, eligibility come into play. One of the reasons Canada is such a popular study destination is its PGWP program, which allows international students to work in Canada for up to 3 years after graduating. But here's the catch: not all programs qualify for this. While all Canadian university degrees qualify, college degrees do not. So, if you choose a program that isn't eligible for a PGWP aligned on the above two criteria, you could lose out on the opportunity to gain valuable work experience in Canada. Now, consider this: Canada is investing heavily in tech, healthcare, and sustainable energy sectors. Programs aligned with these industries, among others, not only make you eligible for a PGWP but also increase your chances of landing a high-demand job post-graduation. This is the power of choosing a program strategically. What this means for you. This isn't just about Canada. The same principle applies to other study destinations like the USA, Australia, or Germany. As industries evolve, the demand for specialized skills grows. Choosing a program that aligns with these demands gives you a competitive edge in the job market, higher chances of employment in high-demand sectors, and a smoother transition to long-term career goals, including possible pathways to immigration. Steps to make an informed choice: check reports or trusted sources to identify fields with growing demand. For example, renewable energy is big in Australia, and IT dominates the US job market. Sometimes, the options can be overwhelming, so it's always best to consult a licensed study abroad consultant like an RCIC for Canada, AIRC accredited organization for the USA, AAERI member of good standing for Australia, etc., to weigh your choices effectively. Look for programs that provide internships, co-op options, or industry connections. These can boost your employability significantly. If you're studying abroad for work opportunities, understand the visa rules, post-study work permits, and permanent residency pathways tied to your chosen program. The world is changing faster than ever. As an international student, your program choice is more than just a degree. It's your ticket to staying relevant in a competitive, tech-driven job market. Remember, choosing the right program isn't about following trends. It's about understanding where the world is headed and preparing yourself for what's next. Stay tuned to Insight by Canem for more practical tips and insights to help you make informed decisions about your academic and professional journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep aiming high.